The Earth. Once, it was far more savage, far more merciless than it is today. About 20,000 years ago, humanity was breathing in an age ruled by ice, wind, and darkness. Much of the planet was covered by massive ice sheets. The oceans had retreated, and the wind cut through the glacial continents like a blade. And in this frozen world, more than one human species was struggling to survive. Yes, at that time, it wasn't just us. Homo sapiens, modern humans, Neanderthals, a powerful species adapted to the cold climates of Europe and Western Asia, and the mysterious Denisovans, living deep within Asia. On some distant islands, there were also small-bodied species, Homo floresiensis and Homo luzonensis. The Earth was witnessing this polyphonic era of humanity, but the time came and most of these species vanished from history. Why? Neanderthals were very strong, but their populations were small. They could not form large clans. As the climate grew harsher, finding food became increasingly difficult, and they slowly disappeared. Denisovans could not spread across wide territories. Remaining in small groups, they eventually faded away. Island species like Floresiensis and Luzonensis could not withstand both climate change and the arrival of larger human migrations. The only species that survived, Homo sapiens, us, because we adapted faster, formed larger groups, hunted more effectively, and were more creative. These traits kept us alive in the heart of the ice. In this world, humans used two types of shelter: dome-shaped homes built from mammoth bones, and caves. Caves were the most reliable refuge during snowstorms. Drawings on their walls, animated by firelight, preserved human imagination for thousands of years. During the harshest times, people would remain inside caves for weeks without going outside. Clothing was made entirely from leather and fur. Threads obtained from animal tendons, needles made from bone. Layering clothes was the only way to survive. The cold could freeze even a breath. Hunting was the center of life. Mammoths, bison, reindeer, herds of horses. To bring down a mammoth, the entire tribe moved together. This hunt could sometimes last for days, but it kept the tribe alive for weeks. People consumed not only meat, but also roots, herbs, wild grains, and dried fruits. They crushed plants in stone mortars to make a mash, and used some of them like medicine. And one day humanity found a new path. When sea levels fell, a massive land bridge emerged between Siberia and Alaska, Beringia. Following the tracks of migrating herds, people crossed this bridge and stepped into the Americas. Thus began the greatest migration story of the Ice Age. Ice Age humans, the humans who ignited a spark in the middle of the ice, and with that spark illuminated the history of humanity. Now, let's watch how Ice Age humans hunted.